In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Canva Pro. If you're trying to reduce monthly costs, pause a premium plan, or simply move back to Canva's free version, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. The main challenge is that subscription settings can feel a little buried if you're not used to navigating the account area. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to expect as you cancel your plan. To begin, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Once the site loads, sign into the Canva account that currently has the Pro subscription attached to it. Make sure you're in the correct account before continuing, especially if you use more than one workspace or switch between personal and team profiles. After you arrive on the Canva home dashboard, direct your attention to the top right area of the screen. You'll want to find the account settings option, which is usually represented by a gear or cogwheel icon. Click that once to open your account settings area. From there, you'll be taken into the main settings section. On the left-hand side of the screen, you should see a vertical menu with different categories related to your account. Scroll through that sidebar until you find billing and plans, then click on it. This is where Canva keeps your subscription details, payment information, and plan status. Once the billing and plans page opens, look for the section showing your active Canva Pro subscription. In that subscription area, check the right-hand side for the Cancel Subscription option. In some cases, you may need to click a three-dot menu first to reveal that option. When you see it, click it once to move forward. Canva will then guide you through a short cancellation flow. You may be asked to choose a reason for canceling, which is simply part of their standard feedback process. After selecting your reason, continue by clicking the button to proceed with cancellation. On the final confirmation screen, review the prompt carefully and confirm your choice to complete the downgrade request. After that, your billing page should refresh and show a confirmation that the cancellation has been processed. Keep in mind that canceling usually stops future renewals, but you'll typically still have access to Canva Pro features until the end of your current billing period. Before you leave, it's a good idea to double check your plan status and make sure everything looks correct, and that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed from Canva Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.